What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, my name's Sam Clark and this is One Life. And today we've got an all new car to the channel, the Vauxhall Corsa you can see behind me. Now it's a 2002 Vauxhall Corsa, it's a 1.2 petrol. I think it's like an active model or something like that. Quite basic, 5-door, as you can see it's in blue. And it's in pretty good condition for the age, it's a good little car. I'm going to start off doing a few tutorials on this, as it's the sort of car at that age where things will break. Cam belts, alternator belts, general spark plugs, brakes, you know, all your wear and tear bits. So today's video, for first we're going to do a fuse box location video. It's a dead basic one, it's something you all need to know, where your fuses are and what ones to change and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you where they are. So let's quick look at the car, introduce it, have a look around it. Right guys, so as said before, I'm going to do a fuse box location video today. It's quite a simple one on this, there's not much to these. So the first thing you want to do is get the bonnet open. For those of you who don't know, you just need to open the driver's door. And if you look straight down to your right hand side, you'll see a little tab here with a picture of a car with a bonnet on it. Pull that lever. Release the bonnet catch, get your hand under here, and you will find the clip which is sort of just to the right of the badge, so it's just there where that finger is. Get the bonnet up. Right, so guys, I've got the bonnet up. And you can see our little 1.2 engine, looking in pretty good condition for the age really. So straight to the point, your fuse box is here. Also you have a relay box which is just up here. So say if you've got a bulb out inside or bulb out anywhere really, and basically any electrical problem can relate to this. So the first thing you want to do is find out what fuse is for that particular part that's broken. Now, as with all my videos, when I put this video up, I'm open to comments asking on set fuses, so if you need to know what a particular fuse does, please ask me in the comments and I'll let you know ASAP. So I've got a little catch here, which you can see, it's just a little like flap. Just get your hand on it, squeeze it in like that, pull up, and that releases your fuse box. Everything's numbered on the back here for telling you what number to what location. And the numbers are also on here as well, dotted about, when you look closely. So you've got a few relays and a load of your main fuses. A few big fuses, that'll be for some bigger things like start motors, things like that. Everything's there anyway. So any fuse problems on this car, the Vauxhall Corsa C, you want to get under the bonnet and into this box to find the fuse that you need. So to stick that back on, I'm just going to line the tabs up back in here like that. You see it a bit there, it goes in there. And simply pop it down. As for the relay box, a bit more awkward to get to. Might require a couple of screws here. We've got a torque screw there. See there, I think it's just that one and it'll flap up then. You shouldn't really need to have to get into that much. Relays do go, but it's a lot rarer. So if you do need to change a relay, or you're aware that a relay broke, maybe if you used a code reader or something, that's the box for it, which is just above the fuse box. And that's about it for this dead simple one. It's a fairly simple car, only got the one fuse box. So that is our first tutorial on the Vauxhall Corsa C. You guys have any requests on this car about anything at all, let me know and I will try my best to get the video done. So guys, that's about it from me today. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up for us. And if you're new to the channel, you like what you see, or you just generally need a bit of car information to hand, hit that subscribe button and I'll always be here with many different cars to come and different tutorials. Again, as I always say, any requests on any car, let me know and I'll try and make it happen. Other than that, that's it from me today. Peace.